Don't separate yourself by believing that being present in the moment means you can never desire or manifest anything in the future. Just as masculine and feminine, night and day coexist in perfect harmony and balance, the now and a future vision can also coexist in a harmonic dance of unity. Even nature in all its perfect nowness and presence still have a desire to grow. It is natural to reach for the sun, for the seed to have a blueprint of a tree within it. And although it has an intuition on how to spread its branches and move its luscious greenness into the blue, it does so in the bliss of each moment. The manifestation of some future that you would love to see fulfilled doesn't mean that you're not living in the now if you are doing it correctly. To manifest really means to feel it now, to bring it into your being as it exists at this moment. So there is no separation between the future and the now. They coexist in your body as a feeling, and in that feeling state, you are a being outside of time. The past, present, and future all exist in this one infinite moment. It is natural for us to want to expand, to grow, manifest, and dream, but doing it with no attachment to the outcome, rather feeling it being done in total surrender to that potential existing, changes your frequency and adjusts your vibration to align with that vision. In presence, the now is a place of bliss and joy. It is relaxed, soft, surrendered, and calm. You are not thinking about the future or the past. You are simply being right now. The art of manifestation is perceiving and aligning to possibilities that exist in a reality currently unknown. It is an openness to the unmanifested, the unseen dimension that coexists in your now. It is being able to feel beyond the veil of the physical material plane and exist in another potential dimension of reality. Then allowing the associated feelings in your current moment. That's all it is. As long as you don't start going into the thoughts of it not physically being here or feeling frustration with its lack on a physical dimension, it is possible to live in the now and manifest all your dreams and desires. Then you can acknowledge when intuition is knocking at your door and whispering its gentle reminder of a future to come. You are transcending the dimension of time when your intuition is activated. It calls you from the realm of the infinite and gives you clues to follow in the now. Every step along your path is the meaningful and delightful journey of the unfolding now we are all here for.